Even from abroad choose places like Mega World, our Esplanade, and our downtown area for their prenup shoots. Now, you may ask, where does an expo like this come in? Well, the answer is that this expo becomes a bridge. It brings together trusted suppliers, travel and tourism partners, talented designers, hotels and lifestyle brands all under one roof. I hope and I wish that we had this when me and my wife were preparing to get married. But we had to go through this the old-fashioned way and go individually. This is a great opportunity for those who choose to tie the knot and say their I do's. Through you, tourism and culture of cities just like Iloilo continue to grow. Whether we are planning a wedding, a trip, a celebration, it is this expo that brings us to our best experience. For us in Iloilo City Government, this expo is a chance for more people to experience and see more of Iloilo City and appreciate what makes it truly special. You might even find inspiration for your next trip or your next big celebration here. Once again, on behalf of Mayor Inday Raisa Treñas, thank you very much and let us all enjoy this 3-day expo. Madamo gid nga salamat and maayong aga sa inyong matalan.
Thank you so much, Jay Treñas, Executive Assistant to the Mayor. We're also very honored to have with us today Vice Mayor of San Miguel, Iloilo, the Honorable Sherwin Sanchez.
The Mayor of San Miguel called me last night to speak on his behalf. Actually, nakatulog ko di para mag-cheer. Ginuti kanila ako mahambal, Ma'am Janelle. So, Councilor Jay, Ma'am Libuon, and the Department of Tourism. On behalf of the local government of the municipality of San Miguel, I'm the Vice Mayor, Attorney Sherwin Sanchez. I would like to congratulate the PMN Multimedia Services for having this affair here in Iloilo. Dapat ang Iloilo, ang probinsya sa Iloilo, pag ang syudad sa Iloilo, isa. So this city and the province is in promoting our culture and heritage here. And of course, wedding and travel and lifestyle go together. When pwede nga kasala, dapat may lagaw, may leisure, and may travel. So to all the exhibitors, promoters, and partners, especially to the PMN Multimedia Services, congratulations and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vice Mayor Sherwin Sanchez. All right, this time another message coming from our Chief Tourism Operations Officer, Tourism Regulations Division. Let's all give it up for Jenny Lynn Cordero.
Mayong aga sa tanan, Vice Mayor Sherwin, we have Sir Paulo, and then we also have Ma'am Joanne Paulette, and then Sir Jay, Ma'am Janelle, of course, our President of the Association of Tourism Officers of the Philippines. I'm Jenny Cordero, representing R.D. Crisma Rodriguez of the Department of Tourism. This Wedding Travel Lifestyle Expo is indeed very timely. Mga ka-Ilonggo, today we gather to celebrate love, travel, and leisure. As Vice Mayor Sherwin said, hindi pwede isa lang. Sila tanan together. As we all know, Iloilo is a city that's rich in history, culture, and natural beauty, including the province and the whole region of Western Visayas. But what makes our region truly special is the warmth and hospitality of our Western Visayas residents. December, as it is just around the corner, is one of the best times to get married. And looking at the design of the gowns, it inspires the young. The weather is cool and comfortable, making it ideal for outdoor ceremonies. It's the holiday season, so many couples can combine their wedding with family reunions and other celebrations. As they say, December is the second to June when it comes to weddings. Plus travel to the nearby areas. Our driver this morning said, "Ma'am, maabot ang akong tita." You see, we have so many balikbayans. Our flight yesterday was full. So whether you're a soon-to-be bride or a groom, as travel enthusiast, or simply someone who loves to relax and unwind, this fair is for you, especially our shoppers today. Let's explore the best of Iloilo and beyond and make unforgettable memories with the fun, foodie, and friendly people we love. We encourage more exhibitions like this one. In spite of the calamities, we see our partners in the tourism industry working hard for the promotion and development of tourism in the country. In behalf of R.D. Crisma Rodriguez and the Department of Tourism, mabuhay Iloilo, mabuhay PMM Multimedia Services. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Jenny Lynn Cordero from the Department of Tourism, Region 6.
And now we would like to invite our guest, and together with our host, all the way from Manila, Miss Myra Lorenzo from Myra Lorenzo Events Management. So we would like to invite everyone to please join us on stage for a photo opportunities. And we will be joined by our Tribu Bulawanon Sangolo for the picture taking.
Balik na ako nagbigay.
Miss Myra, join us on stage. And together with our Tribo Bulawanon Sangolo.